Okay, we've got a big breaking news coming in. My colleague Manish Pandey is being joined exclusively by Sushant Singh Rajput's lawyer, Vikas Singh. Let's listen into what he has to say. Over to you, Manish.
I will continue independently. ED can simultaneously go ahead and attach these properties which she may have amassed using the money of Sushant Singh Rajput, because there are a lot of cash withdrawals from his account. And daily cash withdrawals used to take place for office expense. There was no office working. So all that money was being controlled by her only. So that will all be, investigated by the ED, and I'm sure they will be able to reach the truth.
So ED is a financial probe agency. As far as the family is concerned, they have alleged that more than 15 crore rupees was siphoned off by Riya Chakrabarti and her associates. Now, you also mentioned a very important point where there was a cash transaction, huge cash transaction. Do you suspect, sir, at this point of time, that the entire money has gone to Riya Chakrabarti, to some accounts or some associates, or through the different companies where Riya Chakrabarti and her brother were directors?
Well, I will not like to comment on that, because that is something which is purely for a matter of investigation. I am representing the family, and the family had no interest in his financial affairs till he was alive. It is only when the Mumbai police was not taking this probe in the right direction, and when they contacted me, we thought that before we get the FIR registered, let us try and get out some details of his account, and that is how we could just get this Kotak Mahindra bank details, which we have mentioned in the FIR. It may be, even there may be other bank accounts also, other investments also of Sushant Singh Rajput, which may have gone to her account. It is not proper for me to comment at this stage.
So during the investigation, there are some details which has been shared by the Enforcement Directorate. According to the income tax returns of Riya Chakrabarti, her net worth is around 14 lakh rupees, whereas there is one property in Khar, east of Mumbai. That property's worth is around 85 lakh rupees. There is another property in Navi Mumbai. This is what is on paper at this point of time. Do you think, sir, that these properties were bought using money from Sushant?
Well, that is the irresistible conclusion which anybody will get, anybody with common sense will make, because if she was not doing anything great in the film industry, she, as per what you told me just now, her income tax returns don't project her to be, earning very much. And if during the period with Sushant also she has not done something great independently, and she was only, sort of living on Sushant Singh's money, then this will be the logical conclusion that any reasonable person will draw. And I'm sure we should let this be properly investigated and not jump to conclusions ourselves. I'm sure both these agencies are very, very premier and, competent agencies, and they will definitely get to the truth. Thank you. Thank you.
Okay. So this was Mr. Vikas Singh, Manish Pandey for India Today. Sir,
All right, that is the lawyer of Sushant Singh Rajput's family giving us a live and exclusive conversation. This is all happening as the Enforcement Directorate is gridding Riya Chakrabarti and her father and her brother Shavik Chakrabarti as well. The visuals of which are across your screens. Remember, at India Today, we're getting you the probe as it stands, asking every question possible without drawing conjectures. Slipping into a very short commercial break. Our rolling coverage on the other side. Don't go anywhere. I'll be back in just about a bit.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.